So here we have a Jura impressa G6 that had power supply failures, but after we inspect everything around it, we couldn't find nothing that was burned, detached, or was making a short anywhere. We followed through the cable all the way to the powers. We made sure all these connections were secure as well. These ones as well, they're pretty secure. There's nothing loose in there. Nothing burned over here as well. Following through it, there's nothing wrong with the board as well. Everything working fine. The resistors, capacitors, and everything working good. All the cables are secure and attached. All doors here as well, like very secure. Nothing burned. Even here, nothing making a short. Nothing, not getting any power or nothing at all. And over here, let me see if I can. There's a couple of cables inside as well, but there's nothing that can be traced. Everything working fine. When you plug it in, it works. Maybe it's to close the cover since it's already open. There you go. Now it's heating. So the machine is working perfectly fine. We couldn't find any short or any burn cables around it.